Hi, friends. Welcome back to learning all about time. Yesterday, we learned about the face of a clock, the 12 numbers on the clock, the hour hand, and the minute hand. Today, we're going to practice telling time to the hour. Wow, let's look at this clock. Where is the big minute hand pointing? Let me give you a peek. At the 12, straight up. And where is the hour hand pointing? At the 2. This clock says 2 o'clock. What if I move the hour hand to the 3? What time will it say now? That's right. It says 3 o'clock. Oh, sorry, my sound went out. So if this says 3 o'clock, but if I change it now and make the hour hand point to the 6, what time does this say, friends? I want to hear you say it out loud. Awesome. What time does this say? Let me hear you. 9 o'clock. Boy, you guys are really good at telling time. Wow, when it's really late at night and I'm in bed, but there might be a few people awake still watching TV or finishing work, what time would that be? That's right, it's 11 o'clock. Oh my, here comes the trickiest one, friends. What happens when both the hour hand and the minute hand are pointing straight up at the 12? What time do you think it is then? It's 12 o'clock. You guys really know how to tell time. Well, today I wanted to show you how to write down what time it is. So if you need to write down 12 o'clock, let's look at how that would look on a piece of paper. Here we go. All right. If I have my clock and it says 12 o'clock, when we write down the time, there's 2 dots right there. Whatever the little hand, the hour hand is pointing at, is going to go here. It's pointing up at the 12. Now here's the tricky part, friends. Listen carefully. Anytime the big long minute hand is pointing straight up, we write 2 zeros here. We haven't had any minutes to add on yet. It's still at start, at 0. Wow, this says 12 o'clock. What does it say? That's right. Now let's make it say something different. I'm going to surprise you. Let's see, this time it will say, what does this one say, friends? 2 o'clock. What will I write here? Remember, that's what the little hand's pointing at, 2. And anytime the big hand's pointing straight up, what do I write down? 0, 0. Because it hasn't added any on, it's still at the start. 0, 0. And what time does this clock say, everybody? 2 o'clock. Let's practice one more. What does this clock say, everyone? 7 o'clock. What goes here? The 7. And what goes after the 2 dots? Remember, it's pointing straight up. 0, 0. Awesome, friends. Today, you're going to get out your time worksheet, the one that has the lines that you're going to cut apart, and you get to glue them down in the right spot. I think that's the one. Let's take a quick peek and double check. I think that's the one you'll be working on today. Mrs. Corrigan's gonna go make sure that's correct. I'm peeking over here, and yes, I'll even share my screen so you can see it. The one that you're working on today will look like this. Awesome. Let me make it big. You're going to look at what time the clock says and find the one down here that matches. Let's think about the first one together. Look at this clock, friends. I know it's going to say o'clock because the big hand's pointing straight up to the 12. What time is this one? Let me hear you. 8 o'clock. Which of these says 8 o'clock? When I point to it, I want you to clap. you. That one says 8 o'clock. So you'll cut that one out and glue it down right here under the 8 o'clock. And then you'll look at the next one. Oh, that's right. That's 7 o'clock. Find the 7 o'clock and glue it down there. Good job, friends. I know you're going to do a great job finding the times and matching them up. It's all about time to the hour. Have fun, friends. Bye-bye.